Hey, it's Frank, and welcome back to Big Frank Films. Today I'm going to be cooking roasted chicken breast with some roasted veggies and white rice on the side. Without wasting too much time, let's get into the cooking. First things first is to defrost the chicken. I'm right now filling a medium bowl with water so I can defrost the chicken by placing it in a cold bowl of water. Therefore, there's zero chance that I will accidentally over-defrost and partially cook said chicken. Because of the size of the chicken that I'm cooking today, I had to resort to using a gallon freezer bag instead of a normal sandwich bag. With the chicken defrosting, we can put this aside and prepare the other parts of the meal. One of the veggies that I'm cooking is onions. Because of my horrible knife skills, I've sped up this clip so that we don't have to sift through the whole thing. The other veggie is carrots, baby carrots. I'm simply just going to quarter these. I didn't have any full-size carrots I could simply just chop up. These will bring out a lot of natural sweetness to the dish. Next, I'm just going to be making a super simple marinade, which is a little bit of water, little bit of soy sauce, not too much though, a huge heaping tablespoon of minced garlic. I didn't have any fresh garlic, so I have to use the stuff in the can. The garlic and the soy sauce are really the stars of this marinade, and of course I can't forget just a tablespoon of cayenne pepper. You can always add more. I would usually use more, but I was unsure. Marinades aren't really supposed to be this specific, but I am a very specific person. As you can see, these were the chicken breasts that I would have cooked one, but they were frozen together. Next, here's where the vegetables come back into play. I put a little bit of oil and cayenne so they roast in the oven easier. Just give that a good old mix with my hand. I wash my hands multiple times. After that, we are ready to put this in the oven, so we just gotta line up a nice oven tray, slap it in the oven. After spending about 40 minutes in the oven at 425 degrees, the food is done. As you can see, the chicken got a little less browning than I initially wanted. I forgot to pat the chicken off after taking it out of the marinade. That would have definitely helped with the browning. As you can see, the carrots are cooked perfectly. These have a lot of natural sweetness. And overall, this is a pretty delicious meal. But, of course, we have to see how it looks plated. Now I'm finishing off the plate with some white rice. I would usually use brown, but I didn't have any brown rice at the moment. I will be picking some up next time I go to the grocery store. And that is the meal. This is a very healthy meal. You got roasted veggies, a chicken breast, and some rice. Perfect for any health-conscious folks. I would highly suggest leaving the chicken in the marinade overnight instead of just for 3 hours, which is what happened in the video. The chicken would be a lot darker because you would have given that soy sauce and that garlic and cayenne much more time to penetrate. This meal is not overly spicy, but there is a subtle hint of spice. Overall, this was a pretty good meal. Thanks for watching.